Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, air is injected into a spherical balloon at the t equals 150 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 5 centimeter? Now how do we solve this question? Let us go. Solution. Now, from what we are having here, all right, you know that a spherical balloon, all right, we shall be using the volume of a sphere, all right. So, volume of a sphere, V equals 4/3 by R watt cube, all right. So now, at this point, we are going to look for dV dr, okay. Now, our dV dr is equal to 4/3, okay. So the highest power of R here is 3, it comes down. All right, then by r raised to the power of 3 minus what? Minus 1. So at the end of the day, I'm having dV/dr is equal to, now this cancels this. We are having 4 pi r, 3 minus 1 is what? Is 2. Am I communicating? So our dV/dr equals what? 4 pi r squared. Am I communicating? Now, from what you are having here, the next point will now be, since you are having dV/dt as 150 centimeter cube per second, we are asked to find the r/t. Okay, how fast is the radius increasing? So we are looking for, we are asked to find the r/t. So this is unknown. Is that clear? So our dV/dt, okay, is equal to dV/dr times the r/t. So our dV/dt is equal to dV/dr times the r/t. Now dV/dt is already given as what? 150. Okay, dV/dr is this. Okay, so from what we are having here, all right, 150 is what? My dV/dt, my dV/dr, okay, is 4 pi r squared, all right, times my dr/dt is what? Is unknown. Am I communicating? So at the end of the day now, I can divide both sides by 4 pi r squared. Okay, 4 pi r squared. So this cancels this. Okay, my dr/dt now is equal to 150 over 4 pi r squared. Now remember that my radius is what? Is 5. So at the end of the day, I'm having 150 over 4 times pi. Of course, pi is not given. All right, so that is pi times my radius is what? Is 5. So that is 5 squared. All right, so my dr/dt, okay, equals 150 over 4 times pi times, now 5 squared is what? Is 25. So let us try to divide. Now 5 here is 5. Okay, now 5 in 150 is what? Is 30. Is that clear? Now 5 here is 1, 5 here is what? Is 6. Now 2 here is 3, 2 in 4 is 2. So my dr/dt now is equal to 3 over what? Over 2 pi. Okay, over 2 pi. Now centimeter per second. Okay, so the how fast is the radius increasing? So this is the what? This is the answer. Am I